5 cheese frittata. And the fresh ricotta, I've taken all the excess liquid out. It's about 1.5 cups. And for my math, for frittatas in general, this works out so well and easily. Pick an oven safe to 400 degrees non-stick pan. For every inch of that pan, use 1 egg. So if you're making, a smaller frittata with 6 eggs, you can feed probably 2 people, and it would be a 6-inch pan that you're making the frittata in. And then 8, and then 10, and so on and so on. So we're using 12 eggs. So I have some butter and olive oil getting warm in our pan. I have the oven preheated to 375. To the eggs, I add salt, pepper, and granulated garlic, about a teaspoon. Red pepper flake and parsley combined. So I'm going to put a little in and save some to garnish. Ricotta goes first, and it might be easier for you to use a paddle. I like to use a whisk to help me break this up some. Then we're going to add in our grated cheese. Once you get it combined and fairly smooth, you are good to go. So we're going to carefully pour this into our pan, and we're going to give it a little shake and just help settle this. Building a skin at the edges. So once we get it set a little bit, we're going to go ahead and transfer it into the hot oven with the rack at center. You want to show, honey? And it's going to poof. And then I serve these on cake plates. Pick a service piece that if you're using a 12-inch pan, you need something 13, 14 inches wide to put this on, this size. For the frittata that's working in the oven, remember we still have 2 cheeses to go on top, our easy melting cheeses. We've got to let that set, though. We've got to let that kind of get firm, and then you just sprinkle this all over the top and put it right back and let this cheese layer brown. So there's the frittata, guys. I put the rest of the chopped parsley and red pepper on top.